Hello out there again. Well, I thought I'd do a little update to sort of explain what's going on with this bike at the moment. First of all, yeah, I got a bit of COVID. Never thought it would hit me, but it did get me. But it's taken about a week now, but I'm starting to feel a bit better again. Now I've actually got a bit of energy. I can come down here and do something on the bike. I did actually spend an hour on it yesterday. So what was the plan? Well, now I've got the engine in, it's a case of start to rebuild. What I did yesterday was I did start putting the rear end on, and I would like to fit the wiring loom today and some other bits and pieces. So I'm just going to do a quick video cut of what I've done over the last 1 or 2 hours. Rear end has gone on, the main wiring loom will go on, and I've put the down tubes on the frame, left and right, and I'm just going to work from here. So it will be putting ancillaries on, things like the hooks, the footrests, depending on how I feel. I might put the swing arm on. I've started to put the rear shock absorber is attached at the top, but only at the top. So we'll just take it from there, see how it goes. What I won't be touching at the moment is the front. I've got some new head bearings on order. These looked okay, but there was a slight bit of play in the top one, and if you buy them from your local ball bearing shop, you won't pay £5 or €5 or $5 for one. So for the sake of $5, I'm not going to have do any experiments. So the front's just basically just sort of hanging loose in there at the moment, and we'll just take it from there. So yeah, enjoy. Little stud. There is a bit. original screws, but these won't rust. They're the same left and right, so it doesn't matter. Plate in a second. So it's like that. So that's basically it for today, guys. That's what I've been up to in the garage. As you could see, it was a bit cold in there, and it seems to have taken a toll on my voice. Maybe I shouldn't have gone in there so quick. So yeah, that was today's installment of Let's Bolt Bits Back on the Bike. And if you enjoyed it, press the subscribe button, press the alarm button for notifications and all that sort of stuff. Give me another week or so and we'll take it from there. So that was it for today, so catch you next time.